So what's up sa inyo mga guys, no? Long time na kasi, bali eto na naman ako. Kamusta kayo? Anong bago sa'yo? Anong bago sa akin? Sa akin ganun pa rin. And bali nandito tayo ngayon sa Laguna. Tapos nag-rent lang kami ng private pool. Birthday ng tropa natin si Jake. Check natin kung maganda. Bali merong pool dito. Yan. Tapos akat tayo sa taas. Ito yung second floor nila, guys. So yan yung pool. Yan, yan yung pool nila. Tapos meron pa sila dito ang yan, parang attics yan. Kasi ito guys, ganda. Gago. Papa shoutout. Pare, pasok lang ako Aray. Ano yung sa kwarto? May apat na. Ano to? Dalawang double deck.
Galing yan.
Boss. Sarap dito, boss Tapos ito yung kusina nila. Ito yung may birthday. Yan Ano yung luto nito?
Anong luto yan? Tanong mo kaya Tanong mo kay
Tinalo. Pakita lang naman to. Si Boss.
Ang galing! Ang galing!
Don Ramon. Michael James Fabia. Tapos ito isang kwarto. Aray. Yan. Yan, isang kwarto. May isang kwarto pa dun Yan natin pasukin, mga bata na dyan. Yan then
sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again. So we can fly again. To go out of my mind. And all I need right now.
Gago!
Oh, dalawa na naman pare.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!